Dear applicants, online registration for UCEED 2023 exam has commenced from September 30th. Registrations can be done with both regular fee and with late fees. To register for the exam, first go to Google and search UCEED 2023. The search result would include the UCEED 2023 exam website at the top. Click on the website link to go to the UCEED 2023 exam homepage. This is how the homepage of UCEED 2023 exam looks like. At the top, you can see the important dates, information brochure, and registration portal icons. Click on the registration portal icon. You will be redirected to the UCEED 2023 exam online registration portal. On the page, you will see two options, register and login. Click on the register button. A box will open where you need to enter a valid email ID. You will receive an activation link on your registered email ID. Click on the link to activate account. Clicking on the link will redirect you to the application form where you need to first fill the personal details. Fill in all mandatory details and also select and confirm a password for the candidate account. The following message will appear on screen if you successfully submit the details. Click on Go to UCEED homepage button. You will be redirected to the UCEED 2023 registration portal. Click on the Login button. The registered user's login window will open. Enter your email ID and password to login. Here you will have to do an eligibility check. Enter your birth category, date of birth, 10 plus 2 qualifying year and mobile number. Also select your physical disability status. A verification code will be sent to your registered mobile number. Complete the verification. After completing this step, your registration number will be generated. Note it down. Next, you have to fill in candidate information, correspondence address, details of education qualification, and select exam cities. Some of the information you entered previously, including name, email ID, and mobile number, will be auto-filled. You need to fill the rest of the form. Also select at least 3 exam cities in order of priority from the list of available test cities. Click on Save button. Confirm the details you have entered. Next, upload the required documents as per the specified format. At this point, the filled-in application form will be displayed on screen. You need to cross-check all the details and click on declaration boxes given at the bottom of the page. Next, click on Save and Proceed for Payment button. You can also edit the registration form if you want. Finally, you need to pay the application fee to complete the application process. Note that once the application fee has been paid, you can no longer edit the application form. Click on Make Payment and Submit button. You can choose the payment options from the drop-down menu. Fill in your bank details or card details to make the payment and complete the application process. Once the payment is made, you can also download the completed application form. That was all about UCEED 2023 application process. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comment section below. All the best.